We interrupt our programming. This is a global emergency. Important instructions will follow. The following message is transmitted at the request of the White House in the conjunction with NASA. It was confirmed that a meteor measuring 2.5 miles in diameter is heading directly for Earth. Given by the size of this meteor, the death toll of this event is likely to be in the variants. Citizens everywhere are advised to seek an underground fallout shelter immediately. Bring all essentials such as food, water, clothing, medical supplies, and a battery-powered or hand-crank radio with extra batteries. NASA is currently working on a plan to prevent this, but it is not guaranteed that this plan will be effective. All regular programming across the globe is being discontinued for the time being. The President or one of his representatives will be speaking on all stations at 11:25 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Stay tuned for more information. You are watching the Emergency Alert System Details channel, where you'll get all updates on alerts issued in your area. Current warnings in effect for your area. Emergency action notification. The message was broadcast at 9:57 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time on February 25, 2023. The activation of this alert was requested by the White House and NASA regarding a 2.5-mile wide meteor heading in the direction of Earth. A message from the President will be broadcast in exactly 20 minutes and 43 seconds. More information and updates to this message have yet to be provided to the public, but they will be sent out before 11:15 p.m. tomorrow. The following is a message from the United States President regarding the recently discovered 2.5-mile wide meteor, now classified as Meteor-X, that is on a direct collision course with Earth. Do not turn off your device, please listen.
My fellow Americans, a meteor has been discovered on a direct collision course with Earth. Yes, millions, possibly billions of people will die. But don't think of it as a doomsday event. Earth will live on. This is not the end of the world. Yes, it will destroy a lot, and it will terrorize humanity. But that does not mean...
We interrupt this message with important information. Do not turn off your device. The 2.5-mile wide meteor, now classified as Meteor-X, is contained with high-level uranium, an extremely radioactive element, that is toxic enough to kill someone. Citizens are required to stay in their fallout shelter, until an all-clear is given by the proper authorities. If anyone without authorization is observed outdoors, they will be arrested, possibly shot. Meteor-X will wipe out possibly 1/3 of the human population. NASA is currently in the process of deploying 15 atomic warheads to be launched at the meteor, in hopes of destroying it. However, It is entirely possible that the warheads will not be effective against the meteor. NASA has stated that humanity should prepare for a near-extinction level event. Further information will be provided by 11:59 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time tomorrow.
Alright, that was a great performance. That was You'll Be On My Mind by Wade Cat featuring Emmy. If you're new to this podcast, welcome to 1075 The Gonzalez Review. It's 9:56 a.m. and it's about to be 10 o'clock Eastern Daylight Time. And if you're new here, welcome to the Spotify Sunrise Spectacular, where we're awaiting songs every morning, or by you guys. Just make a call and you'll get your songs on. Alright? Wait. We're getting word now about an emergency alert warning. Please stand by.
The National Weather Service has issued an excessive heat warning for the entire world. Meteor-X, that is on a direct collision course with Earth, has been causing weather disturbance across the planet. Meteorologists predict that tomorrow will bring temperatures up to 115 degrees Fahrenheit. Residents are advised to keep cool by turning on the air conditioners to the coldest temperature possible, along with keeping cool water supplies. Sit near the radio, and stay tuned for more info.
And we're back on the air. You know about that excessive heat warning? As always, keep cool and stay tuned. Alright? We're waiting for our next response. Oh, we got our next caller. Oh. Uh-huh. Okay. Good. We'll play that song. Bye. And we have our next song about to play right now. Still keep cool on that excessive heat warning. But the next song we'll play right now.
Activating System Protocol 75AB. Please enter verification code for missile launch. Processing. Verification code accepted. Launching interstellar missiles in T-minus 20 seconds. We interrupt our regular programming. This is a global emergency. Important details will follow. The following message is transmitted at the request of NASA. They recently attempted to launch several missiles at Meteor-X, but the guidance systems have failed. The missiles are now heading back towards Earth's atmosphere. The following cities will be impacted: Houston, London, Pyongyang, Sydney, Moscow, and Paris. Seek a fallout shelter if you have not already.
Mr. Spaghetti. Perfect timing. Oh, don't worry about that. You'll have your date soon. Oops, sorry, ma'am. Anyway, I went into this computer and I found an encrypted signal. I'll show you. Here it is. I found it.
Encrypted signal detected. Decrypting signal. Audio file 78a message.mp3 was found.
Wait, what?
Playing audio file.
We are Snitch Productions. We are not just human, just like you and everyone else. But we are the greatest species to ever live in the entire universe. Don't underestimate my crew, because we are the ones that sent Meteor-X to you. Soon, you will realize that we have deleted all of your friends. And in addition, we will soon become the rightful leaders of endless space and everything in it.
Hey, it's okay. Don't cry.
Mario, we have to get them back. And stop Meteor-X.
Attenzione, portone per il fratello.
Because...
Mamma mia!
Because I miss...
Leggono tutto, saprete.
Didn't hear me, did you? Who cares? I'll tell you later.